Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a Flixbus ticket. So it's pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how do you get the Flixbus app? You can get that in Apple Store or Google Play Store. So just go ahead and launch and either of the stores and locate the search bar and click on Flixbus, and that's going to take you to Flixbus itself, where you're going to be prompted to download and install. After installing and downloading successfully, it's going to take you to this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to cancel a Flixbus ticket. So from this homepage, let's say you have already booked and you want to cancel it. Check the bottom corner of your screen and you're going to see booking, ticket stops, and more. Go ahead and click on tickets. So right here, I do not have any ticket and I can even import a ticket here. But if you have placed the booking, you're going to see your tickets organized here. And then from here, you'll be able to manage your booking. So how do you cancel a Flixbus ticket? Once you click on this ticket, go ahead and locate the ticket that you want to cancel. So once you do that, click on the ticket, and at the bottom corner of that page, the bottom right corner of your ticket, you're going to see 3 dots. So go ahead and click on the 3 dots menu. And once you click on that, click on the 3 dots in the bottom right of the ticket. Once you do that, you're going to see an option that says cancel/change trip. So go ahead and select cancel/change trip. And once you select cancel/change trip, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to get a confirmation message. They're going to give you some, what's it called, like terms and conditions. That's what you're going to get, or consequences for changing or canceling your trip. So go ahead and select cancel trip button. So after reading that, go ahead and click on cancel trip button. You're going to find, and once you click on cancel trip, the next thing that you're going to find is the continue button. It's going to take you to another page where you're going to find the continue button. Now click on continue button, and once you click on continue button, that's going to be it. Your trip will be cancelled. So that's pretty much it. So click on the 3 dots menu in the bottom right corner of your ticket, select cancel/change trip, and then it's going to take you to another window where you have more options. Select cancel trip. It's going to take you to another window where you're going to see the continue button. Click on that and it's going to be cancelled. That's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.